Back in the United States, the girl he saved struggled to return to normal life. Conferences and labs felt hollow. At night, she dreamed of green shadows and steady eyes watching from the trees. She knew she had to go back. Against all warnings, she resigned her post. Unofficially, she was going back to the island. She secured a small aircraft, only supplies, journals, and a promise. This time, no one would be hunted. The flight was rough, with strange storms over the island. The ocean seemed to remember what it guarded. When she landed on a narrow beach, the silence was overwhelming. She left her equipment behind, just as she learned. From the tree line, he watched her. He recognized her scent before her face. She was different. Their reunion was cautious, communicating through gestures and patience. She offered water. He offered fruit. The gorilla mother appeared last, scarred from past encounters. The girl bowed her head, and the gorilla allowed her to stay. Days passed as the girl learned how the jungle man survived. She, in turn, taught him symbols in the sand and counting stars. But trust was fragile. Distant engine sounds echoed, and the gorilla grew restless. The jungle remembered betrayal. A surveillance drone crashed into the canopy, proving the world was still searching. Her return had led others back. She faced a choice: leave and preserve the island's secrecy, or stay and help prepare for what was coming. She chose to stay, burning her GPS transmitter and scattering its ashes into the river. The season ended with a quiet, powerful moment. The girl helped treat an old wound on the gorilla mother. At sunset, the three stood together on a ridge, watching the ocean glow. She could never fully return to her old life. The jungle man knew the world would come again, but now they were no longer facing it alone.